How to verify your ID on YouTube. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Misnet, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on YouTube. Now, to verify your channel, you'll be asked to enter a phone number. They'll send a verification code by text or call to that phone number. Once you have verified your account, you can upload videos longer than 15 minutes to your account. Now, how you can verify your ID? Simply, to check your verification status, you can head over to your browser, and on the browser what you want to do is you want to type in youtube.com/verify. So you want to type in youtube.com/verify and tap on go, and your account will load up, and you can see my phone number has been verified. If you're not verified, you want to simply tap on verify, enter in your phone number as I stated before. Similarly, if you want to change your account, you can tap on the profile icon at the top right corner, and then you'll be able to change your account. In my case, now it's taking some time to load up. That is how you can do so. So this is the way that you can verify your ID on YouTube. Hope this helped you. To like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.